Hi viewers, welcome to another video. So this is going to be an unboxing video. So I'm going to unbox this Boya mic. So I am doing this video because it will be helpful for those who are starting a YouTube channel and looking for a good mic, a decent mic. So there are many other mics in the market, but this also is one of the good better performing mics I have seen. So let's start the unboxing video. If you are watching my videos for the first time, please do subscribe my channel. Let's begin the unboxing. Okay, let's start the unboxing. Okay, here we have the package, Boya package. Okay, let's see what's written on this. Boya lavalier microphone. Superb sound for presentations and video recording. We have some features here. Clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC. Omnidirectional condenser microphone. High quality condenser is ideal for video use. Okay, low handling noise. Includes lapel clip, battery, foam windscreen, 1/4-inch laptop. Okay, here you can see a sticker here, so that means this is an original product. That's what I have heard, that if there is a sticker, it's an original product. So when you buy this mic, please check for the sticker. And what else we have, and it's written here compatible with mobile phones, tablets and laptops, cameras. I think it's not visible on the camera. Okay, Boya BY-M1 Pro Audio Series. Okay, now let's unbox this. So we have a pouch inside this package, and let's put this aside. And we have some paperwork. We have a warranty card. Stickers and some instruction manual. You can go through this instruction manual. So let's keep them aside, and anything else we have in this packet. So let's open this pouch. So in this pouch, so nothing else in this pouch. Okay, we have the mic itself, and this one is qualified certificate. So this is a certificate to say that this unit is quality checked, it's approved. There is no any defects in this product. And let's see what's in this packet. So we have a battery. So this battery you should use only if you are using this mic with the camera DSLR. Otherwise, when you are using this with the mobile phone, it's not required. So we have a sponge like thing to cover the mic. And we have this converter, 3.5mm jack converter. And let's talk about the mic. So here we have 3.5mm jack, and mic, and there is a clip with this mic. So this clip comes separately in the package. I have already fixed it to this mic. You have to just insert this clip to this mic, as you can see here. Hope it's visible in the camera. This cable is very long. They are given a long cable, so it is useful if you are making videos, if you are away from the camera at a certain distance, so you can make use of this length. And here we have another, I don't know what is this, but let's see on it. Okay, so here we have a space for inserting the battery. You should insert the battery inside. So since now we are using this only for mobile phones, I think battery is not required. So here we have the on and off button for the camera. So if you're using the camera, you need to switch on this. If you're not using the camera and if you're using only the smartphone, then you can off this button. Okay, I think that's all in this package. So let's see how this mic performs. Now I'm recording this video with the mobile phone's internal mic. So as I come closer to the smartphone, you can see that my voice is very clear. As I go away from the phone, the voice becomes low. You won't be able to hear my voice very clearly. So as I come near the phone, my voice will be more clear. So also you can hear a lot of background noise. So now let's record the video using the Boya mic. So now I'm going to record this video using this Boya mic. So now I'm going to fit it here. So I think now you can find some difference between this mic and the smartphone's mic. So now I'm going to move away from the smartphone. You can see the clarity. Now you can clearly find out the differences. When I move away from the camera, the voice will be. So now I'm going to do one more audio test. So I'm going to go 17 foot away from the smartphone and check the audio quality. So now I'm going even more far away from the smartphone, and so now you can check the clarity of the mic. Even though I am 17 feet away from the smartphone, you guys can listen to me very clearly. So I think now you got an idea about the clarity of the mic. I hope you guys like this video. If anybody is planning to buy this mic for their YouTube channel, you can go for this. It's a very good mic at this price. I brought this mic from Amazon for 649 rupees, and if you guys like this video, please click the like button and do subscribe my channel. This is Bharat signing off. See you in another video. Bye.